guys doing? It's DeRe. Welcome to my second Touchdesigner tutorial. Today we are going to create this interactive furry sphere using vectors, mouseIn, and multiply render tops. This is supposed to be a beginner friendly. Feel free to pause and go back anytime if you have to. So the first thing we need is sphere up, parameters, and change type to polygon. Go to detail, frequency add up to 10. Connect to noise. Roughness put in 0.45. Exponent 0.2, amplitude 0.25. Go to transform, translate C, put in multiply 0.3. Connect to null. Add geocount. On geocount, rotate C within ABS time dot seconds multiplied by 3. Uniform scale, scale it down to 0.8. Now we are using line mat on this one, so go ahead and drop it into 01 to palm material. And let's set up the parameters. Feel free to pause if you have to, no rush. We also need a camera and a light. Let's add our first render top. On geometry, we only need Geo1 on this one. And common resolution 1080 by 1350. Connect to now. Let's rename this one to the core. Make some room, we can add a palette and one more operator. Go to palette, image filters, and then down here you will see feedback H. Grab that and drop it onto here. Connect render top. Open up the parameters. Change the H color to dark gray. Scale down to 0.99. The mix push up to 1. Push the reset button. Then connect the other end to the core. Nice. Let's add level top. On brightness, within 1.15. And if you are a beginner and you haven't been using this, you can press C on your keyboard. This mini color swatch will pop up and you can use it to organize your network operators and the groups. So I'm gonna use this to group up our first sphere. And I'm going to set up the main comp. So we need composite top. Make it slightly bigger than the rest and rename this to main. Change the operation mode to screen. Connect to RGB key for a background and then turn on display. Connect the core to main, and I'll use blue on main as well. And now we are ready to work on our second sphere. Go to sub, sphere, parameters, change type to polygon, detail frequency 8, connect to noise. Let's rename this noise to mouse noise. Then on exponent, put in pi 8, amplitude. For now, put in pi 15. Go to transform, translate D, put it in multiply by 3. We also need another noise, so let's connect to noise. On amplitude, 0.1, transform, translate C, multiply 0.1. Connect to fractal. Open up the parameters and then turn down divisions to 1. Use vertex normals, turn on. Connect to null. Geocomp. We also need another line mat. Drop it into Geo2. Now let's set up the parameters on our second line mat. Feel free to pause, no rush. And we need our second render top. Geometry, only put in Geo2. On resolution, you can put in exact ratio, same as render 1, but we are going to copy parameter on resolution render 1 by right click, then go to render 2 resolution and then right click again to paste reference. So anytime you change resolution on render 1, it will also update it on render 2 without having to change it twice, or anywhere that you paste reference to. Connect to null and rename this to the nest. Connect to the main comp. Nice, looking weird. in furry so far. Let's turn off a display for now. We're gonna add some glowing effect. So we need a composite top. Change operation to screen. Add blur top. Connect render to blur and blur to comp. On blur, let's put 4 on pre-shrink and 6 for footer size. Let's set up our mouse. Go to shop, mouseIn. It should say normalize aspect. Connect to select. Connect to lag. We also need null at the end of a branch. On lag, let's put in 1 and 0.5. Select all 4 operators to make a copy. Let's set up our channels. Go to select 1. On channel names, it has 2 channels, but we need 3. So put in TX, TY, and a second TY. Rename to TX, TY, and AMP. Now we have 3 channels. Let's turn the viewer active on. Go to select 2. We only need 2 channels on this one, so put in TX, TY. Rename to RX, RY. Go to this math, parameters. Go to mount add, pre-add, put in 1, multiply, put in 50. Let's turn this one on as well. And now we have all the channels ready to use. Back to our 3 operators that we mark in green. Open up the GO1 and GO2 as well. On GO1, right click on translate, copy parameter, Go to DO2, translate, right click, paste reference. Close GO2, GO1 stay on. Now drag TX to TX, shop reference, TY to TY. Go to mouse noise, on amplitude, drag amp into it for shop reference. Open up GO2, on rotate, we're gonna make a rotation, so RX to RX, RY to RY. Nice. Translate will follow GO1, so we don't have to update anything. Let's close it. It's working nicely and we're almost there. We are going to add a few more operators and adjusting for a final look. So make some room between mains and RGB key. We are adding level. On gamma, put in pi85. Then we are going to create the illusional camera blur effect by using Luma Blur and Ramp. Go to Luma Blur, and Ramp. Connect them. On Ramp, create this black and white gradient. We are going to use this as a mask. Open up Luma Blur, and on white filter width, you can put in 15. On type, change it to box. I'm going to add another level top. This is not necessary, but if you are adding one, feel free to follow the numbers I'm having on the screen. Go to lookup. And ramp. Connect ramp to lookup and open up ramp. Now work on your colors and adjust the gradient to your like. Alright, I'm just done with my colors. Let's go back to fractal swap. And adjust smoothness to 0. And I like it better now. And feel free to experiment with the numbers, operators, and parameters. See what it takes you. Yeah, and there you have it. Interactive sphere. Let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to send me a DM or tag me on Instagram. Excited to see what you're gonna make from this tutorial. Yeah, until next time, and thank you so much for watching. Take care and bye bye.